So I had to come here to my son's room because he's in the living room making a lot of noise and I cannot hear anything I say. So anyways, we went to Home Decor. Home and Decor? No. What's the name of this? Floor and Decor. Yeah, that's the name. Anyways, we went there. There's a lot of beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stuff. I fell in love with a bunch of different tiles, but it's not what I'm looking for. So I don't know what I'm gonna do at this point. I'm not sure. I'm getting frustrated and I don't want to change my idea. I want to keep it. I want black porcelain tile, glossy, just plain black. And they don't have it. Like they have like with white or I don't know. I'm getting frustrated. I'm just gonna probably order it online or go to a different store. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But with that being said, I am also looking for, so now we're gonna go to Target because I'm looking for a Christmas pajama for my son for his school. Next week is Spirit Week, so he has to take, like, he needs Christmas pajama, he needs a red shirt, he needs a green shirt, he needs a costume de Grinch or the Santa. He ain't getting that. I'm not getting the costume. I know he's not gonna wear it. So and then he needs an ugly sweater for a party that he's gonna have. He needs all these things and I have to go this week because if I wait for the last minute, I'm not gonna find anything. So in the morning I did go to Walmart, but I just went to Walmart because it was right here by my house. So I'm like, I'm just gonna go and see what we find. But no, I didn't find anything. So I'm gonna go to Target right now and we'll see. Hopefully I find something there, but I don't know, we'll see. This is cute for Christmas.
That's right.
Just get it, Leonie.
It's a skirt.
It is? You don't like it?
No,
Why? What did you think?
Pants.
No, it's a skirt and it's over from the middle.
No, I thought it was pants.
So I ruined it.
You ruined it.
Alright, let's-
That's enough for the family.
What about that shirt with the skirt? This one or that one? It's cute. Right? Alright, so we're looking for a 8 or 10, Leonie. Help out. I think he has the pens de estos. I don't know, should we put it in the cart? We got these. Put them in the cart. I want something a little loose for him because he's gonna be. Mira esta. Well, it's too big for him, but there's a small here.
He doesn't even know what that is. Bright green. This is better.
But those are tight. That's the thing. Can you open one?
I forgot it.
Yeah, but these are tight. It's gonna look funny in those.
I was talking about this.
Are you sure? He's not gonna have a character? All the little kids are gonna have characters in their pajamas. Yeah, just to see if it's not really like tight. These are nice too, just like these. I bet these. They're good, right? Let me see the pen. A ver, enciéndelo. Yeah, they're good. So which ones are better, these or this with the? He already has some PJ's pants. And I was gonna get him this shirt, but I feel like it's too simple for her. Yeah, we'll just take those. not sure which one. Look at these. This one.
I know, I see that right now.
But we already have some of these. We just need that. And cookie cutters, yeah.
So this one, everything's $5.
I will take it.
This one, gingerbread.
No, I don't like gingerbread.
You don't like gingerbread?
No, you?
Yeah.
This one. But I don't like that.
Those hats.
Yeah, the hats. But it's gingerbread, no? Those brownies.
And those are sugar cookies, and this is just cookie. This one isn't, is it? Oh yeah, it's sugar cookie.
Let's take this one then. Or just this.
And the cookie cutters.
Yeah, we could take those.
Yeah, it's like the same price.
Because what does that include? Just the mix and the cookie cutter is the same thing. This is $2 and that's $3.
This comes with the mix, red frosting mix, cookie cutter, piping bags, and candies.
I don't know. I think we should just take the cookie cutters and this.
Alright.
Because we already have the... Oh, shit. Do you know how to make cookies?
No.
Well, me neither. Okay, that. We're going to need this one. The cookie mix. No, you know what? I want to make cupcakes. Mejor.
We always have cookies.
Okay, let's try that then. So I'm gonna do the... What are you gonna decorate those with? You need the icing.
Okay, well,
Get those two. Or these.
those.
Okay. It's icing. So I don't know, I kind of want to make something else. Probably like a red velvet. Yeah, red velvet cupcakes. That's what I'm gonna make. And I'll make my own cream cheese filling or top thing. Okay, we'll do that. What do you need for this? Water, I have it. Eggs, I have it. Vegetable oil, I have it. Here. What?
Oh, they're right there.
What do you want? You like those?
Yeah, my friend said we just go today and they wanted them.
Oh, isn't that sweet?
This is marshmallow flavored with cream.
Oh, that's cute. This is so awesome.
Or this extra
They look cute.
Yeah. Which one?
I don't know. You choose, Liani.
Marshmallow.
Look, there's a pink and then there's like a lighter pink.
That's just original extra creamy.
Kind of want to try those, but I don't know. I like this one for sure. I'm gonna take this one, but I'm gonna try a different one. Get the milk. Oh, I've seen this on TikTok. I wonder if it works. It's on sale for $8. I'm gonna take it just to try it. I haven't even used my Ira, this is like the one that you took. You want it? It's 99 cents. It's 99 cents. Look at this mascara.
I'm looking for, it's cute, right?
Yeah.
A brown lip liner.
Brown lip liner.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's easy.
No, it's not.
It's right here. Let me see. A brown lip liner. Turn on the light, Rodrigo.
No se me jaló.
Ahorita la apagas.
No.
Prende la luz, Rodrigo, please.
No.
Okay guys, so we're back home. We did find pajamas, the Christmas pajamas, and I'm gonna show you guys what we bought. I also bought some baking things because I want to make a video with my kids, just baking and making different Christmas desserts. So I'm gonna show you guys what we got, and I'll show you guys a PJ, and I'll show you guys my Christmas tree because I'm finally done with it after like, I don't know, but I'm done. I think I'm done. Rodrigo, stop turning off the light. Anyways, let me show you guys what I got. So these are the pajamas that we got for Rodrigo. So it's this one with the pants. They're so cute. They're little reindeer with candy canes. So it's this one. And then I bought him this shirt and then a red one. He needed a green one and a red one for school. So like I said, we wanted to bake for Christmas or just bake in general. So I bought this one. I want to try the red velvet. I'm gonna do cupcakes red velvet. I'm actually gonna do the cream cheese myself. Well, I'm gonna try. So I bought this. We bought this one. This has pink because I bought these. These are so cute. These are edible. Like little decoration for cupcakes or anything like that. This is so cute. I loved it. So that's why I bought this one in pink. And then this one comes with little edible like glitter or whatever it is. And then it comes with the frosting as well. So I bought that one and I bought this one just because we're gonna make sugar cookies and my son wanted this one. And this for the cookies. I've never done sugar cookies before, so we'll see how that goes. And then I bought the mix. And I also bought this one. I bought this one at Walmart the other day when I went. We always decorate sweaters for Christmas, but we do these on the actual Christmas day. And then I also bought this one for the cookies. I bought cinnamon bagels just for the house. And then this, I bought these because I saw a game on TikTok where you get two cotton candy canes and you try to grab the little thing with use them as chopsticks, and then you put a timer with the candy canes used as chopsticks. So I want to try that game on Christmas as well. And then I just bought bread. And then these, I've never tried these, but I actually tried one right now and they're so good. So yeah, my daughter told me these were good, so we bought them because she wanted them. And then I think that's it. Oh no, and then I bought milk. I bought coffee creamer, juice, a bunch of things. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna use for the baking video. Well guys, that's the end of the vlog. I know it was like a random video. I just got the camera and started recording everything in the day. But yeah, it's just random. I just throwing it out there. Anyways, yeah, just thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos, and thank you. Bye.